Today I'm showing you how to disable Windows automatic updates permanently. This works on Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Disable Windows Update Service. Right-click the Start button and select Run. Type services.msc and click OK. This opens the Services window. Press the W key on your keyboard to jump to services starting with W. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Startup Type dropdown, select Disabled, then click Apply and OK. This stops the update service. Step 2. Disable updates via Registry Editor. Now we'll make this permanent. Press Windows plus R to open Run again. Type regedit and click OK. Click Yes when prompted. Step 3. Navigate to Windows Policies. In Registry Editor, go to H-key Local Machine, then expand Software. Find and expand Policies, then Microsoft, then Windows. Step 4. Create Windows Update Key. Right-click on Windows, select New, then Key. Name it Windows Update, no spaces. Press Enter. Step 5. Create AU key. Right-click on the Windows Update key you just created, select New, then Key. Name it AU and press Enter. Step 6. Create Registry Value. Click on the AU key to select it. In the right pane, right-click in the empty space, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value. Name it No Auto Update, no spaces, capital N, capital A, capital U. Step 7. Set the value. Double-click on No Auto Update. In the Value Data field, enter 1 to disable automatic updates. Click OK. Step 8. Restart your computer. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Important note: while this disables automatic updates, remember that Windows updates often include important security patches. Consider manually checking for critical security updates periodically to keep your system protected. And that's it. Windows automatic updates are now permanently disabled on your computer.